In this video, let's see how to create an email template. In the navigation bar, click on Email to expand the options. Select Templates from the Email submenu. In the Email Template Group section, you have the option to either create a new template group or utilize an existing one. Here, we are creating a new template group. For that, click the Add New Group button. Enter a name for the new email template group. Click the Add button to create the new template group. A new email template group named Marketing is now created. Click on the Templates button next to the Marketing group to view the templates. Now we need to add a new email template to this group. For that, click on the Create Template button. Enter a name for the template in this field. Click on the Select Merge field drop-down to choose Merge field for the email subject. From the drop-down, choose the required options. Make sure to check the template group in which this newly creating template is added. Click inside the text area to start typing your email template content. Proceed by entering your text in the designated body text area. Click the Save button at the bottom of the form to save the email template. Successfully created the new email template called Daily Marketing. Thank you for watching.